Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you the basics of making a video game using Unity. Now, the first thing, obviously, that you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to download Unity off the internet. Now, I've already done that, and when you do that, it will come in a bundle of 3 apps: Unity Bug Reporter, Unity, and Unity Hub. Now, right now, I am inside of Unity Hub. It is basically the place where you organize all your projects. You can download different apps which are basically like tutorials for creating your video game. But we're going to go into this projects tab, click new, and then we're going to start off with the empty 3D map. So we're going to click that, click create. And I have a MacBook Air, so it isn't as fast as PCs or other computers. So if you have a PC or like a super powerful computer, then it should be easy for you. It's taking so long.
2 hours later. One eternity later. 2,000 years later.
Okay, finally. That was a while. That's what it was. Okay, so this is what our map looks like at the moment. So you may notice that we've got this weird sun-shaped thing, and we've got this light thing. I mean, this camera thing. This camera thing is what it looks like to the person who will be playing your game. So right here in this square, this is what our game looks like, and it's boring, I know. But so the first thing we're gonna do is we want a platform for our game. So you're gonna go into this sample scene area, right click, go into 3D object and click cube. Now this cube is gonna be the platform. So we're gonna type platform. So now that we did that, we're gonna drag it down, and you can always watch here to see what it looks like. So now it's at the very bottom edge. And now that we've clicked, like if we're not clicking platform, nothing appears here. But if you click on platform, these are all of the things controlling it and making it do what it does. So the scale is how you can change basically just its size. So I'm going to put 20 there, to height, and okay, boom. So that right there is our platform. So I would say it looks actually pretty nice. Now, the color though is actually this color is okay for now. Now we want to have a player on top of this platform. So you're gonna go into here and again do what we did before, cube, and we're gonna name this one though. We're gonna rename it. We're gonna call it player. And we want it to be centered in the middle of the game. So you can click on the cube and drag it down. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click play. And so we're going to load for like, what, 2 hours? Okay, it's loading. Okay, now you may have noticed that our box just fell through the bottom of this thing as soon as we clicked play. Now that's because we haven't actually applied any physics to this player. So basically it doesn't obey the laws of physics. I know, right? So cool. But so to make it obey the laws of physics, you're gonna click on player, go over here, click add component, and click rigid body. Now basically now it will not sync through this platform when we click play. See, it just comes back down. Look, let's bring it up here and click play. Watch here. See? Now that looks pretty boring though, right? So how can we make it more interesting? Well, you can do several different things. You can, let's center that, yeah. We could rotate it. Like that. So now that it's rotated, let's play the entire simulation again. Watch here again carefully. There, that looks a bit more interesting. Much more complex physics are now applied to this square. They were always there, but in the first one we couldn't exactly see them, right? Now, I'm just gonna leave it there. Okay, so we don't want this anymore, and I'm gonna bring it back down. And we're gonna leave it a bit off the ground, so there's a bit of movement as you start the game. Now you may notice that these colors are extremely boring. So actually, I'm gonna make the player a bit bigger. Actually, that's the first thing we're gonna do. Okay, there. So that's our player. Now we want to make the player look nicer because it doesn't look nice right now. So we're gonna go into this assets area, right click, go to create, and click material. And material is basically the material that something is made of. Kind of obvious, but so this material right here, its color is white, which is white. And we're gonna go to blue right now, and nothing actually happened to the game. We changed the material's color, nothing happened though. If you want something to happen, you can, let's say, just drag it into the platform, okay? So now the platform has this thing called new material. This new material, oh, my bad. This new material is this material that we have right here. So we could change this, and it will change live. As we're changing the material, the platform is also changing. Watch this. It changes the live too, which is pretty nice. So that actually looks okay. I know it could be much better, but just for the sake of this video, we're gonna leave it like this. So that's actually the end of this video. This is basically what a game would look like in its beginning stages. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll also leave it in the description once I've made that video. And in that video, we're going to be doing some coding, making you have the ability to move the squares and adding obstacles. So stay tuned for that. And this is me signing out.